Hi everyone, Sarah here. I know it's been a little bit, but I have another unboxing for you, or unbagging to share with you, with some products that I picked out from Newhomy. They were sent to me for review. They came in the regular gray plastic bag for shipping. I just took it off because it was a little dirty. And I have 8 items to share with you guys. I'm gonna separate them. I know that these 4 are diamond paintings. There's one special diamond painting project and then some paint by number and embroidery. So I'm gonna do these ones first and I will come back in another video to share the diamond paintings with you guys. So let me just swoosh them up to the top, out of the way there. And we'll start with these little mini projects. So the first one is diamond painting related, but it is a special drill project. I don't know if you guys can see the super cute kitty cat. Let me open this up. Alright, so we have our package of drills. We do have a toolkit. Just has a boat, wax, and a pen. This is garbage. And then this is our little coin purse. So it has a little plastic hanger on it and the zipper, and inside it's just a little coin purse. It's actually pretty big, a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Kind of like, I know it feels like leather, but I know it's not leather. So the inside it was fuzzy. And then it has our release paper here. And you can see that from the glare, it has the adhesive on it, except for in the eyes. The eyes are not drilled. It does look like, I don't know if you guys can see. Do you see these spots over here? It looks like the glue is not perfectly spread out. So it might need some little extra glue, we will see. But the symbols themselves are very, very clear. Except for the dark colors, it's hard to see the circles, but we'll work it out. But it's super cute. Little kitty cat with some flowers in its head. A little coin purse. I thought this would be cute. So let's quickly take a look at the drills. Sorry about the crinkling. So we have 2 special shapes. There is a red iridescent teardrop, and this is a purple pearl with an iridescent teardrop. So 1 rhinestone, 1 pearl, pretty colors. And then the actual crystal drills, we have a little bit of a larger pink. This one, it looks like a smoky gray, a light pink, a red, purple, solid black resin drill. This is like a rose gold, peachy. And then we've got brown and clear. So it's going to be super cute. This one I'll probably do a drill with me because it's a nice, quick, easy project. And you guys can see if those spots are sticky enough or if we have to add glue, how we actually do that. So that's one project. Put it in the baggie here. Now this one I picked out, I wanted to get a beaded embroidery. I have never done beaded embroidery and I wanted to try, so obviously I picked out a small project. There's some examples of other ones on the back there, but this one is a little mushroom with a face on it. Super cute. And I believe it's a keychain when it's done. Woohoo! So we have the batting to go inside of it because it is stuffed when it's finished. We have some instructions all in Chinese, I believe. But there are pictures to show you. You know, to me it's not rocket science. I've done embroidery before, so I'm sure I can figure out and I'm sure there's lots of videos too. If you search on YouTube on beaded embroidery how-to, but there's the pattern, but it is printed, so you don't really totally need that pattern. And it is on plastic Aida cloth, so it's not cotton, it's plastic woven, pre-printed, nice and clear. And we have all of our threads here. So we have colored threads and like fishing line. There is the keychain to go on it. And we have white beads, black beads. There's a little bit of pink, red, green, and yellow. So this will be fun. Something new to try out that I have not tried before. I'm pretty interested to do that. So put it back in here so we don't lose anything. I'll put it back in that bag later. So that one is cute. And then these two are paint by numbers. Let's get some scissors. Sure, if you guys saw my last Newhomy video, I did do a little bit of the paint by numbers. Not a huge fan of it, but my daughter Madison really loves it, so we picked out a couple that she would like. This one was more for fun to see how it turns out because it is a hilarious image. We have a regal kitten, a queen cat. So here are all our paints. Got some whites, creams, purples, golds, black, and browns. The brushes that come with it, you get 3, 1 wide one, 2 skinny ones, and then some hooks. And the canvas is rolled up here, I believe, on some foam. And it is a little wrinkly, but again, with the last one that I got, the wrinkles came out. I put it underneath my diamond paintings to store for a little while to flatten it out. There's our little tiny foam. And it was fine. So here's our canvas. A lot of little tiny places to paint. Yeah. I'm sure she will love this one. So this is just written instructions in English on how to do paint by number. I do recommend going on YouTube and watching some videos though. There's some great tutorials out there for you guys. But here it is, and I can totally tell by looking at it that it will match up very nicely with the picture. Very cute. I'm just gonna roll it up for now, just because I'm running out of space here on my table. And everything is labeled with this W254, same as like diamond paintings and your paint. So in case you store them in separate places, they are there for you. So put that one off to the side, and then the last one. This one's got some really nice bright colors. I thought this would be a cute image, and it might be simple enough for me to try. I don't know, we will see. But this is just a kind of abstract cactus image. Really, really pretty colors. We've got our pinks, turquoise, yellows, some greens, a burgundy, and a purple. Same brushes. Again, they were good quality on the first one that I received, so I have no issues with them. And the paints were really good. Open this one up. They do have a lot of paint by number on their website. So if it is something that you are interested in, definitely check it out. Again, instructions in English. Little foam roller. And this one, you can see we definitely have a nice big space on the back. And then of course all the little tiny ones on the inside for our cactus. But it's gonna be great. Very cool. Yeah, so that's for newhomy.com. Check it out. I will link everything down below for you guys to the specific projects that I picked out in case you're interested in these ones, as long as they are still available. I will link them on the website, and definitely check it out. It's not just diamond paintings. They have embroidery, beaded embroidery, paint by number, and then some other random items there. So again, thank you Newhomy for letting me review your products on my YouTube channel. And hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a comment. Let me know if you are interested in any of these other types of projects. And if you like doing them. All right, so that's it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.